remedies for burning sensation in feet. Burning sensation in the feet is a very common problem and can affect people at any age. The burning sensations can range from mild to severe and can be acute or chronic in nature. Often burning sensation in the feet is due to some kind of damage or dysfunction in the nervous system. This problem is sometimes associated with diabetes, chronic alcohol abuse, and exposure to certain toxins. Other causes include deficiencies of vitamin 3, folic acid, thiamine, and calcium. Other causes include athlete's foot, injuries, traumas, stings, bites from insects, burning feet syndrome, chronic kidney diseases, and peripheral vascular diseases. In addition to the burning sensation in the feet, one can have symptoms like redness, swelling, increased sweating, dull eye, paling skin, change in color and texture of the skin, and increased sensation of temperature. The treatment of the burning sensation in the feet depends upon the underlying cause. It will be controlled with over-the-counter or prescription medication. You can also try some of the simple remedies to reduce the discomfort. Also, do consult your doctor for the proper diagnosis and treatment. Number 1 is cold water. Cold water is one of the best home remedies for burning feet. The cold water provides quick relief from the tingling, numbness, and swelling of the feet. Fill a foot tub with cold water. Soak your feet in it for few minutes. Give your feet some rest and then soak again. Repeat several times a day. Do not soak your feet in the cold water for more than a few minutes as it can worsen the symptom. Also, do not apply ice or as ice pack directly on your face. Number 2 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to balance the pH level of your body, and it will also be used for treating burning feet. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of the raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water. Drink it once daily for best results. You can also fill a tub with hot water and add some tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar to it. Also mix it with sea salt and Epsom salt. Soak your feet in it for about 20 minutes twice daily. Number 3 is turmeric. Turmeric contains a good amount of the compound known as cumin, and which helps to improve blood flow and circulation throughout your body. Plus, turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties that will help to reduce the burning sensation as well as pain in the feet. Mix 1 or 2 teaspoons of the turmeric in a glass of warm water and drink it. Do this twice daily and for the best results. You can also prepare a paste of 2 tablespoons of the turmeric and enough water and apply it on the affected area once or twice daily and for a few days. But bear in mind that this remedy can stain your face. Number 4 is Epsom salt. Epsom salt can help to soothe your feet and give instant relief from the burning sensation. Made out of magnesium sulfate, it can help to reduce the inflammation and pain. Plus, it can help to nerves function properly. Put 1/2 cup of the Epsom salt in a tub big enough to cover your feet. Pour warm water in the tub and mix it well. Soak your feet in the solution for about 10 to 15 minutes. Follow this remedy once daily for a few days. Number 5 is ginger. Ginger is another effective remedy for burning sensations in your feet. Several active components in the ginger help to increase the blood circulation in the body, which in turn brings quick relief from the burning sensation. Mix 1 teaspoon of the ginger juice with some warm coconut oil or olive oil. Massage your feet and legs with the mixture of 10 to 15 minutes once daily. Alternatively, you can drink 2 or 3 cups of the ginger tea daily. You can even try a warm ginger tea soak to lessen the swelling and pain. Follow any of these remedies for several days until you get relief from the problem.